It's so painful what we see in Gaza. It hurts me all my body. And let me be clear, it's not about ideology. It's not about I'm right and you're wrong. Come on. It's just about the love of life, about the care of your neighbor. Maybe we think that we see the boys and girls of 4 years old being killed for a bomb or being killed at the hospital because it's not hospital anymore. It's not our business. Yeah, fine. We can think about that. It's not our business. But be careful. The next one will be ours. The next 4, 5 years old kids will be ours. Sorry, but I see my kids, Maria, Marius and Valentina, when I see every morning since the nightmare started, the infants in Gaza, and I'm so scared. Maybe this image feels far away from where we are living now, and you might ask what we can do. There is a story I'm reminded of. A forest is on fire. All the animals live, terrified, helpless. But the small bird flies back and forth to the sea, back and forth, carrying drops of water in this little beak. The snake laughs and asks, "Why, bro? You will never put the fire out." The bird replies, "Yes, I know it. Then why you do it and again? The snake asks once again, "I'm just doing my part." The bird replies for the last time. That is, the bird note doesn't stop the fire, but it refuses to do nothing. In a world that often tells us we are too small to make a difference, that story reminds me the power of one is not about the scale, it's about choice, about showing up, about refusing to be silent or still when it matters most.